is it going so far? Thank God for another day. Thank God for another day. Alright? How is my subscribers doing? Thank you for subscribing. How is my viewers doing? How are you? How is life going on with you? I hope all is well. Alright? God has been so good to us. That's why we are alive and we can give thanks to the Almighty. Alright? Alright. Today now I'm going to cook some cabbage and saltfish and carrots and a piece of another sort of cabbage or lettuce. Alright? So I'm going to cook it and I'm going to show you I'm going to cook it. So I'm going to put saltfish. I'm going to put saltfish in it. Alright? I'm going to show you my saltfish. And I'm going to put some coconut milk in it. Alright? So here I have my pot with hot water, and this is my saltfish. So I'm going to put it in it. I put my saltfish to soak already. So it's best for you to put it to soak, because if it can be very salty. Alright, so I put mine to soak from today. Alright, so I have a piece there. And I have another piece there. So I put it to boil. Alright, so watch as I go. My subscribers and viewers, just watch as I go. Alright. Over here I have my carrot that I started to scrape already, and my cabbage and my other cabbage. Alright, and I'm going to put some coconut milk in it. And this is my seasoning. Alright, with a little seasoning salt on top. So just watch as I go. So I'm going to show you how I scrape my carrots. Alright, I started already. So after this I will wash them. So I'm going to cut them. Alright? So my saltfish is boiling. Okay. I'm going to wash them. Can you see it? All of these I got them. Somebody gave them to me. So I'm going to wash them just to see how I wash it. Alright, I'm going to throw away this now. Alright, so watch as I go. See my salt there? Okay. I have my pot here all ready to put it in. Washing my veggies. You can do like this. If there's any insect or anything, and wash it out. Alright? Make sure you wash it properly and wash it more than one time. So here I have my salt water in this. Hold on, I finish this one. Let's see. See? Wash it like this. Wash. My veggie all wash. You see? All wash. So I'm cutting my veggies. So I just cut it like this. Put all of them together like this. Right? To make it easier and shorter. Like this. It. And this is how I do it. Make it easier. You can see I'm going to put some coconut milk in it. Okay, so over here I have my pot already, so we're going to mix some coconut milk. Instead of using the water, I'm just using coconut milk to cook it down. Alright, so you can try it at home and let me know if you have ever tried this one before. Alright, and where are you watching from? Let me know where you're watching from. Make a comment and tell me where you are watching from. Alright, thank you for watching. And this is my coconut milk. You can see coconut milk. So I'm going to put a little tip of warm water because the veggies, it spring a lot of water. As you can see my veggies here, spring a lot of water. Let me show you. Alright, can you see it? Alright, you see my veggies? Just keep a little water in it. That's it. And my saltfish is there cooking. And if you want to put a piece of pumpkin in it, that's okay. That's fine if you cook your veggies with pumpkin. Just dice up the pumpkin like how you do the carrot. Alright. You can see? Put some more water, just a little bit. Alright. So you can see. And you don't have to boil. You don't have to let it stay there and boil. You put it, your veggie in it, and the coconut milk will cook the veggie. Alright, so watch as I go. Remember, my subscribers, make your area very clean. Make your stove clean. Clean your stove often. Once you cook on your stove, clean it. Alright? Alright, so you watch as I go. See? And you cook it to your taste. You can put a little Maggi season in it. Alright, put a little butter. Alright, so watch as I go. Okay. You can see? Thank you for watching. Just let me know where you're watching from. Just comment. Make a comment. Alright? Alright. Thank you very much. I'm going to cover my pot. Alright? So watch as I go. In my pot there, you can try it at home. Okay, my subscribers and viewers, this is my saltfish. Alright, so I'm going to scrape off my saltfish now. So watch as I go. Alright, can you see it? Right. Right, I'm going to scrape it, take out the bones. And it's not salt, guys. It's not salt because I soak it. Just a little tubes of salt in it, but not much. So I do it.
No problem. Oh, okay, okay.
This is my veggie cabbage with saltfish and a little tips of coconut milk. Alright? So I'm going to simmer down now. Alright? So I'm going to put some all-purpose seasoning here. All-purpose Maggi seasoning. My subscribers, I don't put any salt in it. No salt. And a little ginger. But you put whatever you want to put in it, because the saltfish is already salted. So I'm just going to put some Maggi. You put your black pepper and your any type of seasoning you want, you put it. Alright. You put your margarine, or you put oil in it, or let it stay there and cook. Spice it up. Alright. Alright, so what is it go? So my subscribers and viewers, this is my finished product. Alright, so it's cabbage and carrot and a little piece of lettuce. Alright, with my seasoning. So you put whatever seasoning you want to put on it. You can make it spicy and put a little bit of coconut milk in it. But vegetables are good. Coconut milk is good also. Alright, so you take care and continue to watch my videos and give me a thumbs up or make a comment. Alright, and tell me where you are viewing from. Thanks a lot. This is my veggies. Alright.